Credit advice from 2025 is slowing down your credit repair. These 5 credit hacks to increase your score fast in 2026 can add 50 to 100 points before your next statement closes. The first one takes 10 minutes. I'll show you 2026 dispute tricks that works in under 30 days. The utilization hack that destroys the 30% rule, and the re-age debt loophole that forces removals, and the future-proofing move that protects your score from algorithm changes. Number 1. The 2026 dispute power play. Stop sending those dispute letters through mail. That takes around 45 to 60 days and bureaus stall it. Here's what works in 2026. Use digital dispute portals on Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. These are faster, trackable, and trigger mandatory 30 days reinvestigation timeline under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The power move. Use specific FCRA language. Don't write "this isn't mine." Write "I am formally disputing this letter under FCRA section 611. I request full verification of the original creditor, account number, and reporting accuracy." That forces bureaus to contact the original creditor. If they cannot verify in 30 days, the item gets deleted automatically. In 2026, AI-powered credit audit tools scan your report for inaccuracies you had missed. Duplicate accounts, incorrect balances, outdated information. Run one audit, dispute everything flagged. Watch items vanish. Step 1. Log into Experian Dispute Portal. Now use the exact FCRA wording. Hack 2. The Utilization Vanishing Act. Everyone knows the 30% rule. That's beginner advice. In 2026, real score movements need advanced strategies. Top score uses AZEO method. All zero except. Pay all cards to zero before statement closing except one card with $5 to $10 of balance. Scoring models want active use but punishes heavy utilization. AZEO gives both. Timing is crucial. Pay cards 5 to 7 days before statement closing, not your due date. That's when balance is reported. Pay after the statement closes, damage is done. The 2026 edge. Rapid rescoring. Applying for a mortgage or auto loan soon? Ask your lender about rapid rescoring. They pull in updated reports with new lower balances in 72 hours instead of 30 days. A client used AZEO on 4 cards. In 45 days, utilization went from poor to excellent. Added 38 points for their car loan. If hack 2 changed your strategy, smash like button now. Hack number 3. The age debt loophole. Collection agencies illegally re-age debts to keep them on your report longer. It's called re-aging. Direct FCRA violation. How it works. Debts fall off 7 years from first delinquencies. Shady collectors update of last activity to make the debt look newer, resetting the clock and dragging your score down for years. Your move. Pull your credit report now. Check collections or charge-offs. Compare first date of delinquencies and date of last activity. If last activity is more recent and you didn't make any payment, that's re-aging, illegal. Send this. I'm requesting full validation of this debt under FCRA section 623. Provide proof of this original delinquency, date, and all account activity. If this debt has been re-aged, I demand immediate removal. The kicker: any debt older than 7 years from the original delinquencies must be removed. Still there? Dispute immediately. This account exceeds the 7 years reporting period under FCRA section 605. I demand removal. Hack number 4. The Bureau's specific build. Not all credit cards and loans report to all 3 bureaus. Some secured cards report to 2. Some credit builder loans skip 1. If accounts aren't hitting all 3, you are leaving points on the table. In 2026, choose credit building tools that explicitly reports to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Check before applying. Call the lender, ask, do you report all 3 credit bureaus every month? They hesitate or say no, move on. Authorized user accounts, same rule. American Express only reports from the date you have added, not full history. Chase, Discovery, Capital One reports entire payment history. That's the real boost. Thin credit file, this fills gaps fast. One strong credit line reporting to all three adds 30 to 50 points in 60 days. Hack number 5. The 2026 future-proofing move. FICO 10T rolls out in 2026 using trended data. Instead of current balances, it tracks payment behavior over time. Balances trending up or down, paying in full or carrying debt monthly. The algorithm watches patterns, not snapshots. Position yourself, establish a sock drawer card strategy. Open one or two no annual fee cards with long-term issuers. Use one every 6 months for small purchases. Pay off immediately. These build age, rise above account age, show zero utilization, pure score fuel. Rent and utility reporting gains lender acceptance in 2026. BoomPay, Rental Karma, Experian boost rent report, streaming services to your file. Extra positive payment history every month with bills you already paid. Winner in 2026, unchasing quick fixes. They build systems that grow score automatically while protecting against future scoring changes.